Welcome to QLM Business News. Here are today's news stories. Regulators demand systemic change from Boeing. Boeing will continue to face intensified government inspections and production restrictions as regulators insist on systemic change to restore confidence in the safety of its aircraft. On Thursday, the aerospace giant presented regulators with a comprehensive plan aimed at enhancing the quality of its planes. Following the meeting, the head of the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, stated that the agency would maintain weekly meetings with senior Boeing executives to monitor the plan's progress. "That's really the hard part," said FAA Administrator Mike Whitaker, adding that he could not specify when the current production cap might be lifted. "I don't think it will happen in the next few months," he added. Boeing Chief Executive Dave Calhoun noted that many aspects of the plan were already in progress and affirmed the company's commitment to its implementation. "We thank Administrator Whitaker and the FAA team for their feedback today, and we will continue to work under their oversight as we move forward," he said. Boeing has been under scrutiny since a door fell off a brand new 737 MAX during a flight in January, leaving a gaping hole in the plane's side. However, concerns regarding Boeing's approach to safety and quality control are not new. The company faced severe criticism 5 years ago after two 737 MAX aircraft were involved in nearly identical accidents, resulting in the deaths of 346 people. January's incident, attributed to missing bolts, has reignited doubts about Boeing's corporate culture and manufacturing practices. Boeing is now facing multiple lawsuits and the threat of criminal prosecution for violating the terms of a settlement reached following the 2018 and 2019 accidents. The FAA, which increased its oversight after the accidents, imposed a production cap on the company and set a 90-day deadline for Boeing to develop a comprehensive plan to address regulators' concerns. This plan was presented during a 3-hour meeting on Thursday. The plan builds on actions Boeing had previously announced, such as significantly slowing its manufacturing pace and enhancing staff training. The company also stated it would reintroduce daily compliance checks, invest in new tools and equipment, simplify procedures, and encourage managers to spend more time on the factory floor. Mr. Whitaker said the FAA would maintain its rigorous oversight of the company to ensure these goals are met. "Systemic change isn't easy, but in this case, it is absolutely necessary," he said. "This does not mark the end of our increased oversight of Boeing and its suppliers, but it sets a new standard for how Boeing conducts its business," he added. This news story is brought to you by QLM Business News, your digital media channel. Visit qlmbusinessnews.com for more business news stories. Also follow us on Facebook, X, and YouTube. To help QLM Business News bring you more news stories like this, please like, share and subscribe.